There's a world of hidden messes living inside your home. But the Shark PowerDetect UV Reveal, the best cleaning robot vacuum and mop, is the first robot engineered with UV light to reveal invisible stains and clean stuck-on messes other robots don't. Even messes the human eye can't see, like hidden pet accidents, are revealed and then attacked with all-new HyperSonic Mopping, delivering up to 7 times more scrubbing power for up to 2 times better stain removal. From invisible spills to everyday caked-on mud, sticky spots, or dried coffee, and dry debris, eliminating dirt, hair, and crumbs with Shark's powerful suction. 8 intelligent PowerDetect technologies automatically optimize performance for hidden dirt, edges, and corners, and different floor types. And with the Dry Guard guarantee, the mop is left behind on vacuum-only missions, so floors stay 100% dry. Shark's NeuroNav AI combines an advanced learning algorithm, RGB sensors and lasers, and our ultra-range camera to navigate your home with precision, detecting and avoiding objects in its path. Never-Stuck charged technology lifts over obstacles, while the Never-Stop battery delivers up to 3 hours of runtime to clean your home faster. After every run, the ThermaCharged NeverTouch Pro Base self-empties its dustbin and dirty water tank, then uses thermal heat to sanitize the mop pad, removing 99.99% of bacteria, then self-refills with clean water, so the Shark is always clean, always ready. And with the Shark Clean app, effortless cleaning fits perfectly in your schedule. Don't settle for 20/20 vision. Shark PowerDetect UV Reveal seeks out the unseen and cleans so much more.